Welcome back. Now it's here inside of a lecture where you're going to deliver the product to a customer. And so if your product is going to be video, you can deliver it here inside of System. System does have a place where you can drag and drop in audio in order to deliver to your customer. If what you're going to do is to deliver a downloadable file, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go inside of some of the text. You are then going to highlight some of the text. For example, we will highlight the text here. When we click on the link, we have some choices. What we can do is we can click on this link to file button. We can then click on the file button, and this is where we will upload the file in order to deliver to our customer. So if what you're going to do is to deliver a specific file to your customer, you're going to utilize this process. Once I upload the file, assuming that it's a zip file, it's going to be here in my files area. That means then that it can be used in order to deliver to the customer. I'm going to need to highlight it. I'm then going to need to click insert. That now means then that this link is now going to be deliverable using a download. I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to save my changes. But just to make sure, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this preview button to make sure that that downloadable area is going to be ready. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on this element. And when I click on it, I should get the zip file that I uploaded. And my zip file is then ready to be downloaded to my hard drive. So if your product is a downloadable file, you can deliver it inside of a lecture, inside of a module, and inside of a digital course in System. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.